Hi, this is your unpopular cook. Today we'll be making one of my all-time favorites, a Mexican burrito bowl. For the cilantro lemon rice, add in rice followed by water in a pan. Use 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water ratio. Add in 3 bay leaves and season with salt. Cover and cook on medium heat for around 15 to 20 minutes. Please read the description box below if you want to get your rice perfectly cooked. Once your rice is done, let it cool down. Then scoop out the required amount of rice to make your burrito bowl. Add in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and a handful of cilantro or coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix. Now season your rice with salt and pepper. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but you could use the regular table salt as well. Mix it in and your cilantro lemon rice is ready. For the black beans, I'm using canned black beans today. You could use any kind of bean of your choice. In a saucepan, add in your black beans and let it come to a simmer. Then add in 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, followed by 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and season with salt and pepper. Combine all the ingredients and bring it to a boil. Your beans are ready to go. For the sauteed vegetables, in a pan, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in 1 small onion and saute for a minute. Then add in your peppers. I'm only using green bell peppers, but you could add in red and yellow bell peppers too. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then add in 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes for a little heat. Saute and cook for 5 minutes and your sauteed vegetables are good to go. Moving on to salsa. In a bowl, combine 1 large tomato and 1 small red onion. Make sure to remove the seeds from the tomato. Add in a handful of cilantro and season with salt and pepper. Add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and give it a nice mix. Your simple, delicious salsa is ready to be served. For the guacamole, cut an avocado, spoon the flesh out and add it to a bowl. Here's a tip. Since my avocado was unripe at the time, I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes with 1 minute interval and they were good to go. You can see it is easily smashable. Once you have the avocado all smashed, add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a red onion, half a tomato, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cilantro, half a tablespoon of roasted cumin powder and season with salt and pepper. Give it a nice mix and your guacamole is ready to go. And finally for the chicken. I soaked around 8 whole red chilies in warm water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Add these chilies to a blending jar along with 1 large tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Blend it to a nice fine paste. Do not add any extra water. I have 2 chicken thighs cut into half. Season your chicken and pour in your marinade. Be sure to coat the chicken well in the marinade. Heat a pan. You could use the same pan that you use to saute your vegetables. Add in some extra virgin olive oil or even regular olive oil and carefully add in your chicken. Allow your chicken to cook 3 to 4 minutes on each side and take it off the heat. Once your chicken is cooked, cut them into smaller pieces and your chicken is done. Now for the fun part, the assembly. In a large bowl, add in a nice layer of your cilantro lemon rice. Then add in your beans. Follow that with your sauteed vegetables. Then add in your salsa. Remember to give it a nice mix once again. I had some corn in my fridge which I boiled for 15 minutes, hence I'm adding that, but this is completely optional. Then add in your chicken. I'm also adding in some cheddar cheese and a nice huge dollop of that guacamole. And that's it. The super delicious wholesome burrito bowl is ready.